Good day, everyone, and welcome to this video. So today I want to talk to you about something that has been getting a lot of buzz lately. Lots of people are incorporating this like ritual into their daily routines. Lots of people are finding relief through something called the gelatin trick. Now, you may be thinking to yourselves, but what does just like a trick in my daily routine will do for me, And that's the beauty of it because like you're going to be doing this with ingredients you have in your household, so ingredients that are like pretty easy to get. And the cool thing about the gelatin trick is that those days where you just feel like you're really tired, like you even look at yourselves in the mirror and you're like, really? Those type of days. Now, this tiny little method, this tiny little thing that you're going to be putting into your routine is actually going to change that around. So you're going to be more happier. You're going to feel more energized. You're going to be able to pretty much use clothes, that you haven't been using anymore, if you know what I mean. And guys, the cool thing about this gelatin ritual is that lots of people have already tested it out. So it works. It's good for you. Now, I did leave their link in the description box just down here below this video, so you can be checking that out afterwards. But let me just tell you, okay, if you need like a little booster upper, if you realize that your mornings or your days, something just feels a little bit off, and you're just like really tired of working out, you're really tired of not seeing those great results kick in, this little ritual is exactly what you've been searching for, okay? So don't miss out on this. I did leave a video there with more infos for you guys to be checking that out. And it's just gonna help you in so many different ways. It's gonna help you feel lighter on your feet. It's gonna help you with your mood. It's gonna help you basically like with your vitality. So there's a link for y'all right there. Thanks for watching. Bye.